Hi, I'm Matthew Jones. I own Harker Heights Ceramic Coatings. I'm also the operator, the sole operator. This is one of my 8 rescue cats, Lily. We like to rescue animals, and you'll see a lot of our specials are designed to donate towards local animal shelters and animal rescues. I've loved cars since I was as long as I can remember. And I spent 22 years almost in the military. And one thing I noticed about being in the military for those 22 years is that military bases don't always have the best access to car care, car cleaning and detailing services. And so while what I do today is completely unrelated to what I've done for the last 22 years, because I love cars, I decided to open this shop, this detailing shop. And what that really started with was in 2007, I had a black Corvette Z06, which was damaged in a monsoon flash flood situation when I was living in Arizona. And we couldn't find anybody to polish the paint after it was repainted properly without leaving holograms and some of the other things that you've seen that I've worked on that are coming out of body shops these days. And what I ended up doing was I ended up hiring somebody that I found on the internet in 2007 to fly out from California and teach me how to be a professional detailer. And so over the next about 15 years, you know, I dabbled in that on the side, and I just decided that that would be something that I would like to do when I retired from the military. And so we opened up Harker Heights Ceramic Coatings in 2021. I was also married in 2021, and I have a baby on the way. So family is the most important thing to me, and I consider all 8 of my rescue cats part of my family. And you know, I want to create an environment where clients feel that it's not a transactional experience with us, where we develop a relationship and we develop a family. Even if that sounds cheesy, we want that family type experience, that small business experience for all of our clients. So we try to set up a location and a service that is completely professional, but at the same time provides you that level of connection and family and friends situation that we possibly can. And I think we're pretty successful in that, as you can see by all of our Google reviews. So we do invite you to come check out our shop. I think you'll like it here, but also get that family experience. And from me, you get a level of attention to detail and, you know, care that I have shown in everything I've always done. Everything I've always done has been very passionate, and one of the things that you know drives me is just making people happy and, you know, putting out a great product and a great service. And in the past, I have even become a scuba diving instructor just to become a better instructor, and I do the same thing with clear bra and ceramic coating. I'm constantly trying to get better by attending training events and ensuring that you get the best possible product and the best possible service. So I definitely thank you for considering Harker Heights Ceramic Coatings and supporting my family and making you part of our family as well. And yeah, hope to see you soon.